Okay, y'all. Let me turn this down or off or something. But okay, y'all. What's up? Good morning. Happy Monday, Memorial Day. I'm finna go to Bath and Body Works, pick up my order. Of course, I have this in. Hopefully, the sound quality is okay. But I'm here at the store finna pick up my BOPUS order from Bath and Body Works. Also, they got the buy one get one, plus they have that amazing coupon. I most definitely will post it over here because I can't really remember, but I do know it's $30 off 100. Drinking this yummy, and it's almost gone. Or it's like $20 off of something, and I forgot what it is, but I posted over here. So I'm getting ready to pick that order up. Sneako, my YouTube sister, sent me a box, y'all. So happy. Thank you, Sneako. I do have a new PO box. Most definitely will list that over there as well. But let's check out what Sneako got me. Yeah, let's see. I'm excited. A card. Sneako, don't beat me up, friend, laughing out loud. Sneako, shout out to Sneako, y'all. If you're not following Sneako, do so. Everybody knows Sneako, amazing, super cool person. But my YouTube sister, thank you. Let's see. Look like it's 2 candles. Yay. Look like it's 2 candles. Let's see what she got me. When I tell y'all the post office is horrible. Oh, Sunrise Marina. Yes. If y'all don't know, this is the test collection. When this collection was in the test stores, this is the packaging. We all know that. It smells really good. Grown. Like men's cologne. Love these matte jars. Love, love, love. And y'all know I ride for black and gray. Love this. This is nice. Let's see what the next one is. It's another one in here. Let's see. Oh, y'all know I wanted this candle. It's literally stuck in this box. Y'all know I really wanted this. If I could get it out. Y'all know I really wanted this candle. My God. Yes, the patchouli and rosewood with that lid, with that marble lid. This candle is so good, and it is loose in the jar, but it's not a big deal. Oh my God, this candle is so good. Thank you, Sneako. Amazing. I got it in the single wick because we don't have a test store here, and it never came in my area, and I never could get my hands on it, and I didn't want to ride to the outlet because it's like 2 hours away. Shout out to Sneako. Shout out to Sneako for this one. Yes, I am so happy to have this. And this is it smells so good. This smells like the rose, what is it called, that new body care that got, it's not totally new, but that rose smoke wood or something like that. If you have that, if you smell it, that's what this candle smells like. So good. Thank you, Sneako. Thank you, Sneako. Shout out to Sneako. Let's see what the card look like. Oh, and a Bath and Body Works gift card. And a coupon. Yes. A 20% that still is good. And then a gift card. I don't know how much on this gift card. Shout out to Sneako. Yes, Sneako. Happy about that. And it's, girl, no wonder why you put this on the front. No wonder. Look, y'all, look, wait a minute. I'm trying to get it back in there. Look. What does that say? On your birthday. If y'all don't know, my birthday is August 26th. My birthday is gonna come again. And Sneako just giving me this, girl. Really happy belated birthday. Charge it to my mind, not my heart. I know it's all love. I really do appreciate you, Sneako. You know, but shout out to Sneako. Super cool person, down to earth person. Yes, y'all. I love me some Sneako. I don't even know if y'all want to see my stuff from Target. I really don't want to drag this video, but I already got my order from Target. I decided to get this little Camaro shirt, which I got a feeling it ain't gonna fit me like I thought it was gonna fit me. So I'm on the fence about this shirt. I got some white linen shorts in a size large, and I got this little tank top. These was on sale for like $5, I think, or $6. Love these tank tops. Yes, they go really, really good. They go super good with the shorts. And then I got these little shoes that I'm kind of on the fence about. These shoes are trending. If you've seen them on TikTok, that's what made me buy it. TikTok be making us buy all of the stuff. But I don't even really wear sandals. But I did get these in a size 8. So we should see. We should see. So that's everything that I got. Bath and Body Works. I got my order. Which is a small order. This was the men's care, the men's collection that was on sale for $5.50, I believe. I just grabbed 4 items. I wanted to try the men's grooming stuff, so I got the hydrating face cream. Grab that one, and the beard scruff cream, beard and scruff cream. I got that. So I grabbed these 2 just because y'all know I love a thick lotion or cream, and I feel like it don't matter what it say, it's all about the ingredients that's in it. So for me, it's not a big deal that this is for like a beard. I don't have a beard, but lotion is lotion. I'm just saying. Is it on my nose, y'all? A little bit, but it's super full. And as you see, oh yeah, it's creamy. That's what it looks like. If y'all can see that, that's what the cream looks like. I thought it would feel thicker. Most definitely silky. Has a slight cologne-like scent. It says lavender and sage. It's kind of giving me most definitely that sage and lavender, more like men's cologne. And that's the beard one. And then this one is the hydrating cream. It's not as full as the other one. Let me use this hand. It feels the exact same, creamy, silky feeling. Same scent as well. So yeah, we're gonna see what that does. It feels really nice. It feels really nice and silky. So I just grabbed 1 of each. And then for this one, the daily, almost dropped it. The daily lotion, I grabbed 2 because I feel like this is going to be really good for the summer months. A nice lightweight lotion. So that's why I got this. Let's see. Do this top come off? Oh yeah, this is more, it feels like it could be like a gel based. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's very loose. As you see, it's kind of running. So this is more like a very lightweight lotion. And it does have that men's cologne scent as well. I feel like this is going to be really good for me in the summer months. So yeah, that's why I grabbed it. Because right now I'm using a thicker moisturizer, and because I have combination skin, in the summer months I have to use something that's a little bit thinner. So got that. Also, y'all, the bag I'm carrying today, decided to carry my belt bag by Lululemon. This is the logo bag in beige, I believe, or is it, no, trench. I think the color is called trench. This is just a 1 liter bag. Love it. Really, really nice. I'm not sure if they still have this on the website. They probably do. But yes, that's the bag I'm carrying today. It's nice. The sale today. Yeah, I know they had the coupon for 10 off of 40, 30 off 100. So I got some stuff. Because I was having issues with the transaction, I'm not sure why, but for some reason the coupon wouldn't come off. I don't know why, y'all, but I grabbed 2 of the Love Always Win. Love this scent. It is so nice. Starfruit, coconut water, and cedarwood. Really, really like this. Then I grabbed 2 of the new ones. This one is Poolside Cabana. This is the one that has the pear and the sandalwood. Y'all know I love pear. So I decided to grab that one. And then the next one I grabbed, which I really didn't want. But what is this one? Disco Daydream. And the scent notes in this one is Cali Days, vanilla, and coconut. Yeah, I know I love coconut. So that's the reason why I went on and I picked this one. Let's see what it smells like. You know, when you first spray this stuff, it has a lot of alcohol. It's nice. It's cool. It'll do. It ain't something that I'm like, oh, I need to back up. It didn't grab me like that. But I'm super excited for this one, the pear one. Dang. I feel like somebody already sprayed it because you didn't have to pump the bottle up. I don't know about this one. This ain't giving me what I thought it was gonna give. I don't know about this one. No, and it's strong. It slightly burnt my nose. I don't know about this one, y'all. This Poolside, I don't know. I'm not feeling it. But Love Always Win. I absolutely love the candle. So nice. See, I had to pump that one up. So that tells me nobody sprayed this one. Yeah, I like this. This is good. So I'm not mad that I got 2. So that was the body care that I got for $5.75. And of course, I did use the 30 off 100. And I got 6 candles. Like I said, someone was going on. White Gardenia and Tiki Beach. Not sure if I'm going to keep these or not. But yes, I did get the blend collection candles. This is nice. Yeah, that's nice. I kind of like that one. Let's see the scent notes. Do we have time for the scent notes? White Gardenia, Picked Greenery, Vanilla Musk, and Coconut. Yes, it's not bad. This is giving me like that Hawaiian vibe, you know, like when you go to Hawaii, they put those little lei things on you or whatever they call. They put that, and how you still get that floral scent, that tropical scent. That's kind of what that smells like to me. Like a tropical floral. And then they got the Marshmallow Fireside and Black Cherry Merlot. I'm not a fan of Black Cherry Merlot, but I did want to try the candle. It's like a smoky cherry. Marshmallow Fireside. I'm most definitely getting that creamy and that cherry. I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see what this gives. Marshmallow, amber, cherries, and red wine. That's what that's supposed to be. I'm not really feeling the labels. The labels is just okay for me. You know, I'm more into the scent versus the way the candle look. The next one is Rosewater Ivy and Mahogany Teak Wood. I think this one came out last year, I believe. This is just okay. I could see myself being one and done. But again, this is just a cold sniff. I've been sniffing a couple of things, so I could be a little bit off. But on cold sniff, this could be just a one and done for me. Yeah, it's just okay. And then And y'all already know about the sea salt and neroli amazing candle. This is a powerhouse in my house. I don't know what it's going to do in yours, but this candle is really, really good. Love it. Love this. This is so good. Then I got another Love Always Wins. Love that scent. And then the last one I got is this is the Palo Santo Vanilla that I'm just crazy about. Love that. So basically that's everything I got. Leave down in the comments. Let me know, what did you get? Did you skip on this sale? I told y'all in my live stream that I was going to get some candles if they gave us a coupon. They gave us a coupon, so you know I had to go and grab some stuff. So yeah, that's everything I got. And my annual sale is next weekend, so hopefully we have some good stuff for that sale. Hopefully we find some treasure finds. So again, I want to shout out my girl Sneako, my YouTube sister. Sneako, shout out to you. Thank you for giving me that gift, sending me that gift. I really truly appreciate it, y'all. Shout out to my MVP riders. Shout out to you. Thank you for always coming through, watching anything and everything your girl posts. I truly appreciate it. Also, look down at the button. If your button is black, that means you are not subscribed. Turn that black button gray and be part of this MVP type of situation. Do that. Subscribe, thumbs up, comments, follow me on all of my social media platforms. Use or follow my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick on Instagram, of course. So yes, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna get in there, put this stuff up, and finish my day. So I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.